In this video, I'll show you how to add a Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. First, open the Meta Business Suite app on your phone and make sure you're logged in with the Facebook account that has access to your page. Once the app opens, tap the menu or your profile icon, then look for the option to switch or add a business. Tap the option to add a business account or connect a page. Now, select Facebook page and choose the option to add an existing page. You may see a list of pages connected to your Facebook account, so select the page you want to add. If your page doesn't appear, make sure you're using the correct Facebook account and that you have the required access to manage the page. After selecting your page, review the information and tap Continue or Add Page. Meta may ask you to confirm your account or allow the required permissions, so follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once the process is complete, go back to Meta Business Suite and check the business or page switcher. Your Facebook page should now appear there, allowing you to manage posts, messages, notifications, insights, and other page features from one place. And that's how you can add your Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.